Alright guys, today we're going to check the cabin filter of a Honda Civic 2012 model. If you ever need to check it, I'll show you the location and how to access it. First, you're going to pull these edges like this. Make sure to remove any items before pulling it down completely. Okay, here's the cabin filter. Press these hinges like this, and you'll have access to the filter. And here is the cabin filter. This one is really dirty, which depends on the customer's usage. If it's too dirty, you can replace it, but always check with the owner of the car first. In this case, the customer asked me to blow it clean and add some fragrance. As you can see, it's in pretty bad condition. So, I'll clean it up and add some fragrance to it, so when the aircon is on, it will smell nice inside the car. I'll just blow it clean and be right back. Alright, I just cleaned it and added some fragrance. Even though it's not in the best condition, the customer didn't want to replace it at the moment. Now, let's put it back. Here we go. It fits in smoothly. Press this cover until it locks in place, like this. Make sure it's properly locked, so it won't come loose. Now, you can put your stuff back in the glove compartment. And that's it. Good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.